thank you so much for joining us for another episode of our Power Apps in a Snap series. So this is our third episode. We have been developing an app on Microsoft Power Apps on the Power Platform. And this is just to show, it's a dummy style tutorial to show how simple and easy it is to get started with your first Power Apps. So I've got my colleague John here who is going to be teaching me all of his knowledge and expertise, and I will be the dummy for this tutorial. So, hey John, how's it going?
It's going great.
Good. So just a reminder, our twist with this is that we have a 10-minute clock to work under. So you've got to teach me whatever you can in under 10 minutes. Do you think you can do it?
I think I can.
Perfect. And today we're going to be building another screen, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. All right, well, let's get started with our clock. And tell me step one.
Okay, so before we get to the next screen, we're just going to finish some things up on the second screen. So go to screen 2.
Okay.
And in the person email, click on that little space that you have to put the email.
Okay.
And click on it again to select the actual card inside. Yeah, good. And now you see where it says default and the parent.default on the top?
Here? No. Oh, up here.
Yeah, right there. We're going to change that.
Okay.
Because whoever is using that is going to be, they are going to want their email there. So we can just do that already for them. So you can delete that. The parent.default.
For some reason. Yeah, it's not letting me click though.
Okay, so go to the right side of the screen and go to a right side, yeah. And go to advanced. You're gonna have to on the right.
Oop. Sorry, hang on. Why is it not closing up?
Yeah.
Okay, advanced here.
Advanced,
okay.
Yeah. And then you can unlock the properties.
Oh, good to know. Okay, so now I can edit it. Great tip.
Yes.
Okay, now what do I type?
User. And then you open and you can just select user. Yes. Close that parentheses.
Okay.
Dot. Email. That's it. You see it's already going to fill with your email.
Yep.
No need to type it.
Okay.
Now, the second thing is we're going to configure the submit button. So you can click that submit button.
Okay.
And what you needed to do is you needed to actually send that information, and then you can go back to the home screen because you're done, right? You submitted the request for scheduling. So You're going to change that false into submit form.
Okay.
Yeah. And form 1, which is the name of this form.
Okay, close parentheses.
Close parentheses.
Great.
Semicolon. Go to the next line. And then navigate.
Let me guess. Screen 1.
Correct.
This is how easy it is. I'm learning.
And now we're good to go on screen 2. Now you go to a new screen. We're going to create a third screen.
So we go to our layers. Right?
Yeah, you're already there.
New screen here. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, blank
and
screen.
Then you go to blank. Yes.
Okay.
Now, just as we did to the second one, we can carry over some stuff. So just go to the first screen and select. Hold Control and select image, label 1, and rectangle 1. Control C. Control V.
Great.
Great. Now we're going to add a gallery. So you can go to Insert,
Okay.
and vertical gallery. And what's that going to do is going to allow us to see all the schedulings that you have already done. And you're going to choose scheduling.
Okay.
That's going to bring up all the schedulings that have already been done. So bring that to the middle. Let's put some background, like a white background, so we can better see it.
Okay, so insert
rectangle.
rectangle.
Yeah.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Yeah.
And then how do we send back again?
So selected, see rectangle 4, see that selected.
Oh,
Rectangle
there.
4.
Okay.
Yeah. Then reorder, send backward.
Okay.
Good. Now we're going to do some editing with that gallery because it's not very easy to see what the information is. So just as you clicked it, go to the right side and where you said,
okay.
Yeah, right there, and go to fields and edit.
Okay.
Right. So we're going to change title 1.
Title
the last
1.
thing. Yeah. We're going to change that to office.
Okay.
Which is the office name.
Yep.
And we're going to change the ID to value.
Okay.
Because we don't want the office ID, we actually want the office name.
That makes sense, yeah.
And then subtitle, you can just leave the date. That's fine.
Okay.
And then last, we don't actually have an image. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to... You're going to select the entire gallery again, because now it's only one thing selected.
Wait, the whole... Okay, like that?
No, click...
Oh, sorry, what did I do?
No, that's okay. Go back to properties.
Properties, okay.
Yeah, properties, okay. And you see... What's selected is actually rectangle 4, and you can see because it has the name rectangle 4 is selected. So if you ever have any problems selecting things, you can just select it off the left hand side. So just select gallery 1 from the left hand side. Yeah.
Gallery 1. Oh, got it. Okay.
Right. Now you go to layout, and we're going to choose a layout that doesn't have an image, just title and subtitle.
Okay. Title and subtitle. Okay.
Yeah. And then maybe we need to edit those fields a bit.
Okay.
So just go to fields, edit.
Okay.
Yeah. So title 1, you change it from title to office.
Okay.
Office and
value. Okay.
Yeah. And subtitle, you change it to date. Oh, it's already on date, so we're good.
Okay.
We're good there. Now, you see it. What we're seeing is just white. That's because rectangle is actually in front of the gallery. So we gotta send the rectangle back. So you go to rectangle, click on the 3 dots, and reorder. Send backwards. And you can do, instead of doing it all the time, just click on those 3 dots and send to the back. It's going to send all the way to the back.
But isn't that going to send it behind the photo?
That's not a problem, because then we just send it forward once instead of having to send it back a lot of times.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, so bring forward. Oh no, what did I do? Undo.
It's okay.
Wrong rectangle.
Wrong rectangle, exactly.
Which rectangle am I supposed to be on? 4.
Rectangle 4, yes.
Okay. Reorder. Bring forward. What did I do?
I think you sent the gallery backwards too.
So bring the gallery forward?
Yes.
Bring to front. There we go.
There we go. And rectangle
Um,
4, I'm pretty sure it's still back.
Bring forward. There we go. There we
There you
are.
have it.
Looks
Yeah.
great. Just in the nick of time. I like that. That looks clean. So this is going to be where you can see all of your schedule. So once you book, this will be all of your bookings.
Exactly. Right now it's showing everyone's bookings, but we're gonna do some little changes later on.
So we can rename
you
it to
can-
My Bookings.
Yeah, you can do.
There we go.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Well, I think this is a good stopping point for us. Sorry for my delays on navigating outside of the correct screens, but you know what? This is why we're here, learning all the new tips and tricks and how to make mistakes and come back from them. So thank you for all of your expertise, John. I appreciate it. And I look forward to continuing on and developing this app more in our next episode. So join us next time for Power Apps in a Snap. Thank you.